It's a Thursday and the market is bleeding red again today. You knew this before you even opened the brokerage app. Everyone at work talked about nothing else all afternoon. You told yourself you would not check the balance, but your thumb taps the icon before you can stop it. You are standing in your kitchen right now. There is a glass of water in your hand. You do not remember pouring it at all. The number that was $10,000 on Monday, now it reads $9,340. $660 vanished while you were working. It was not spent and it was not stolen. It just disappeared quietly without asking for permission. Your thumb hovers over the red sell button now. One single tap and the bleeding finally stops completely. One tap and you are safe inside cash again. Nothing moves in cash and nothing hurts you there. You stand frozen with your thumb over that button. This exact second reveals who you actually are. Most people discover their true nature right here. Saving money buys you safety and peace of mind. But investing buys something else you never expected. It changes you in ways beyond the account balance. Nobody explains this transformation before you actually invest. Let me show you what really happens next. For years you did everything society told you to do. You budgeted carefully and avoided bad debt completely. You saved faithfully and lived within your means. Yet you remained trapped in one basic arrangement forever. Every dollar you earned came from an hour sold. That is the deal you never agreed to explicitly. Your time goes in and the money comes out. The moment you stop working, the money stops too. You have lived inside this so long now. You stopped seeing it and called it having a job. But look at this arrangement with fresh eyes. You are the only engine that you own. If you get sick, the engine stops working entirely. If you sleep deeply, the engine shuts down too. If your company decides your engine is unnecessary, then the engine stops and so does your income. Even a full savings account does not change this. $10,000 in the bank is safety only. It is still just stored time waiting to be spent. Your time sitting there earning almost nothing at all. Inflation eats it slowly like ice in warm room. Safe is not the same as growing over time. Your entire working life depended on you showing up. You traded the hours of your one precious life. Investing $10,000 does not end that arrangement overnight. You will still have a job on Friday morning. But it does one specific thing that changes everything. For the first time you own an engine, not you. When you put money into a broad market fund, you buy hundreds of the largest companies on earth. You become a small but real owner of them. Not a customer handing money across the counter anymore. An owner of the coffee you buy each morning. An owner of the software you use every day. An owner of trucks you see on highways. You now own a sliver of those massive machines. And that machine does not sleep when you sleep. It does not stop when you get sick either. It keeps working in the background all day long. All night while you dream about other things entirely. Whether you think about it or not at all, you spent your whole life on one side only, handing money across to faceless corporations every week. The day you invest, you stand on both sides. Here is what actually happens, and it is quiet. Like everything real in life happens very quietly. A few weeks later, a small deposit appears unexpectedly. You did nothing to earn this money at all. You were sleeping or working or making dinner. It is not much, maybe $32 exactly. A dividend, your share of company profits earned. $32 will not change your monthly budget. But something inside you shifts in that moment. For the first time, money arrived without trading hours. Your whole life, every dollar cost you time directly. This one arrived while you did absolutely nothing. Your brain notices this as a strange small feeling. The rules you grew up believing might have cracks. That tiny crack lets everything else come flooding through. Now go back to that Thursday in the kitchen. Your thumb hovering over the sell button right now. $660 gone from your account balance. Here is what selling actually costs you long term. Nobody does this math while their thumb is hovering. If you tap that button, you lock in loss. You also step off the machine completely forever. You go back to being the only engine again. And you almost certainly step off at worst moment. The days the market falls hardest are specific. The days it climbs hardest sit right nearby. Often they happen within the same exact week. The person who sells on Red Thursday suffers. They almost always miss the Green Monday rally. Historically, the market has fallen viciously sometimes, yes. In about a third of all years it drops. Yet it climbed to new highs every time, over every long stretch that ever actually mattered. The drop on Thursday is not the real risk. The drop is simply the price of admission. The real risk is you standing in the kitchen, deciding that you simply cannot stand the pain. That is why they say something very important. The market is the only store where people run. They run for the exit when everything goes on sale. You put the phone down and you do not sell. That single non-decision while your body screams otherwise. Doing nothing while everything urges you to act. That is the entire skill you must learn. There is no other secret hiding anywhere else. Something else shifts that you will not see coming. The way you look at time changes completely now. When you were only saving, time was neutral. At best, time was an enemy working against you. Months passed while you tried to stay even. The instant you invest, time flips direction entirely. It starts working for you instead of against. That 10,000 left completely alone in fund, earning around 10% a year on average. The way the market has averaged for decades, it roughly doubles about every 7 years. You do absolutely nothing except leave it alone. In 10 years it grows to near 26,000. In 20 years it becomes over 67,000. In 30 years it exceeds 170,000. And you never added a single dollar more. Read that number again and let it sink. From one single deposit of just $10,000. The reason this feels like a magic trick, nothing in your working life ever behaved this way. Your effort was always linear and predictable always. 1 hour of work equals 1 wage payment. Then the hour is gone forever and you need another. This is the first thing you have ever owned. It grows on its own faster the longer left. It feeds on itself like a rolling snowball. A saver watches the clock and feels behind always. An owner watches the same clock differently now. They know it is doing the work while sleeping. Same clock but two completely opposite lives lived. Then the world starts to look very different. This part surprises people when it happens to them. You begin seeing the economy through owner eyes. Not through the eyes of a spender anymore. You walk into a store and something shifts. It is not just a place taking your money. It is a place you have a stake in. The advertisement that used to make you feel behind. The one that made you feel everyone had more. It now reads completely differently to your eyes. You understand you might own part of that company. Its whole job is to convince people like you. People like the person you used to be exactly. To keep handing money across the counter endlessly. You stop being only the target of marketing. You start being quietly part of the machine. That does not make you cynical or bitter. It makes you clear about how things work. You stop confusing buying things with owning things. Those are opposite acts with opposite results entirely. Every dollar spent to look successful is gone. That dollar never got to become an owner. It never got to work for you in background. You start to feel this difference in your hand. Before you tap the card, you pause now. Here is the part almost nobody ever mentions. Investing 10,000 quietly ends a specific fear. It ends the fear about your financial future and replaces it with something steadier and calmer. Before this, the future was a solid wall. Retirement was a word meaning work until unable. Then hoping someone or something would rescue you. You could not picture it because no mechanism existed. Nothing between you and the end of earning, except more of your own dwindling hours left. Now there is a mechanism, small and early. It is unfinished, but it is completely real. You have seen it with your own eyes. In your own account, in your own name. Money can grow without you feeding it hourly. Once you have seen it, you cannot unsee it. The future stops being a wall of fear. It becomes a slope you are already standing on. You are already moving up it slowly now, whether you think about it or not daily. That change reshapes how you carry the present. You make decisions from a longer horizon now. You stop grabbing at things you will regret. Because you can feel there is a later worth saving for and protecting carefully. You will hear people say 10,000 is nothing. They will say real money starts at 100,000. Or a million, some number making yours insignificant. Do not let that dismissive voice inside your head. They are not wrong about the scale exactly. At 10,000 you are not wealthy yet. You are not free and you are not finished. But they are missing what the number truly is. It is not the destination you are seeking. It is the proof in real tangible terms, with real money, that you can be owner. Not only a worker trading time for survival. Before this, some part of you did not believe. You did not believe ownership was for people like you. Investing and the market were for other people. People with more money and more understanding. People who knew something you never learned. 10,000 invested is the moment you discover there was never a secret kept from you. There was only the arrangement you were inside. The arrangement of trading time for money always. And the quiet decision to finally own something. Something that trades on your behalf while you rest. The people who grow 10,000 to 100,000. They are almost never the smartest people around. They are never the luckiest people either. They are the ones who put the phone down. On that red Thursday they did not sell. They did not step off the machine running. That is it, that is the whole difference. One last thing, and it is uncomfortable now. So please stay with me through this part. Investing 10,000 will show you who you were. It holds up a mirror to your past self. Every year you spent only on buying side, handing money across and never standing where collected. Not because you were foolish or ignorant. Nobody taught you this in school ever. You did what you saw everyone around doing. Earn money and spend money endlessly forever. The loop closed so tight you could not see. You could not see there was an outside to it. The uncomfortable part is not guilt about past. It is realizing how simple the door was, and how long you stood in front of it, thinking it was a solid, impenetrable wall. The companies you have paid your whole life, they were always for sale in small pieces, small enough for someone like you to hold. You just never knew you were allowed to buy. You never knew you could buy the store, instead of only shopping inside it forever. It is a Thursday, and the market is down. It will be down many times in future. You know this now and accept it fully. You open the not because you must, but because you are genuinely curious today. The number that was climbing is red now, smaller than yesterday, but you do not panic. You look at it for a single second. Your thumb does not move toward anything dangerous. The machine is still running in the background. It ran all night while you were sleeping deeply. It will run tomorrow whether number is red. Red or green, the machine keeps turning steadily. And in 10 years this Thursday becomes invisible. A D you cannot even find on chart. You put the phone down gently now. You pour the glass of water you wanted. The drop that used to live in your chest. That tight, anxious feeling is no longer there. Not because the market is safe and predictable. It is not safe, and it never was. But because somewhere between that first Thursday and this one you stopped being the runner. You stopped being the person who flees exits. You became the kind who owns the building. That is what 10,000 invested really buys. Not riches, not yet, and not immediately. It buys the moment you stopped selling hours. You started owning something that works while sleeping. The math you used to fear has changed. It has a different ending than you thought. You close the app and walk away calm. The number will be there again in morning.